So I'm Jeremy Wright. I'm the National Account Manager for Solatube International. So here we have our, like I said, tubular daylighting skylights. So they're installed in homes to bring natural light into the home instead of using artificial lights. It just really drives that natural light for the health and well-being of the occupants. Vitamin D, happiness, and all that stuff for the homeowners. And then our solar attic fan is installed on a roof to circulate the air inside your attic to lower your attic temperature by 30% and just get that air moving and get that humidity and moisture out of the attic so it doesn't get trapped. With this technology, instead of using the static ventilation that they used to use in the past, this new technology really does move that air and really change the way that the home is built to make it more efficient and sustainable. Same thing with delivering natural light. A lot of the homes today are focused on health and well-being of the homeowners. That's what these products do, which is new innovation, new technology. So, it takes a new technology to grow in this world today, right? So I think it's an exciting time and it's only going to get better.